Namaste everyone, myself Dr. Suresh Jakad, Assistant Professor Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about study about the keeping of bee equipment. Bee equipment is the beehive. Firstly, L. Langstroth discovered the principle of bee area in 1851 within the USA. This area permits free passage of the employee bees and is just too tiny in the create a comb by bees or large for depositing bee glue such as propyloid. We are able to say the bee are the optimum distance between two surfaces in a very layer hive essential to traditional movement and functioning of the bees. This principle was the gain discovered of contemporary cultivation or the trendy hive has been designed on the best of principle to be area during which from the simply affected. The bee area measured 1952 millimeters for Apis mellifera, and this was changed for Apis carnera to be between 7 and 9 millimeter. And stand to support bottom board, and bottom board its floor of the hive having an entrance for bees. On this broad chamber rest. And next point is the broom chamber is the used for rearing of brood. Frame are placed during the chamber on the that bees raised combs. The size and variety of frame vary with the kind of hive. A wood dummy board is the employed to limit the scale of the broad chamber, and it placed at the tip of the frames. And the next point is the frame is every frame consists of the frame fiber bar, two aspect and a bottom bar. Inner fact of the highest bar contains a groove for fixing comb foundation sheet. Aspect bar has four hole for running the frame, and the frame hole a comb. Next point is the dimension of hive. Normally for Apis mellifera use Langston hive, and for Apis carneria according to Bureau of Indian Standard, hive A and B kind in 1995. Bureau of Indian Standard introduced C-type hive supported Langston hive for Apis mellifera. Well seasoned wood of kali, stone, ticker, and rubber is used for creating smart quality beehive. Wood having sterly smell is not used. Dimension of various varieties of bees hive being employed in Asian countries are given below. Super dimension could also be same as that of a brood chamber or half it depending on the kind of beehive. This can be the chamber whereas bees store surplus honey. Inner cover a broad that act as a partition between brood and super chamber, and also the roof. Top cover a sort of flat acting as roof place over inner cover. And other instrumentally such as nucleus hive, tiny bee hive for keeping 4 to 6 frames. These are used for conjugation of queen and division of colonies. Observation hive, tiny hive with the glass sides, therefore on observer movement and behavior of bees. And next comb foundation meal, acromod print naturally cell size of the desirable comb foundation seed for Apis mellifera and Apis carnea. Bee while used for the preventing bee stunting on face and necks, and smoker acumstard quite down the bees where gap is the hive. And hive tool, an iron strip used for gap of hive and its cleanup. Queen cell protector, a spring-like structure of the safety guarding queen cells. Queen cage, accommodate introduce a queen to new colony and conjunctly to move the queen. And second point is the bee bruise, to bee bruise the bee from frames and feeders. Different kinds of feeders are used for feeding syrup to the bee colonies. This is first point is slow feeder, fraction prime fell feeders in that during which within which hole are created with the lead, and also the feeder is placed inverted within the hive. Second point is the quick feeder division, broad feeder, which is the scale of an acre one frame, and also the through contain a wood float within the cavity. Swarm basket, basket is the cage bee swarm, and queen executor performed metallic elements seat and spherical wire assembled in such the simplest way the employee will the tolerant then and queen cannot. Apis mellifera, whereas the employee thorax size varies from 333 to 3.5 centimeter, millimeter. It is used throughout honey flow season to limit queen to brood chamber and thereby preventing birth within the super. It's conjunctly utilized in maintaining multiple queen system in a very colonies. And wax melter, a double walled chamber for melting of bees wax for creating comb foundation sheets, and pollen traps for staple stable gear, corncular spore, and the returning bee forage for a mellifera. Pollen stable gear screen has hole of 4.7 to 5 millimeter, and for Apis carnea 3.5 to 3.7 millimeter. Bee scabs to supply the web of the passage of bees. Thank you.